Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Burlap by the Yard is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly fabrics you can find, perfect for everything from rustic home decor to creative DIY projects. And in this video, we will explore the different types of burlap available, their uses, and what to consider when choosing the right one for your needs, helping you make an informed decision and unleash your creativity with this amazing material. Number 5. Sultana Burlap Fabric. This versatile fabric offers endless possibilities for your creative projects. It's durable, easy to care for, and perfect for a variety of uses. Made from 100% natural jute, it's a sustainable and eco-friendly choice. Its texture and natural color add a unique touch to any project. It's sold by the yard, so you can order exactly the amount you need. Simply specify the quantity for your desired length. Machine washable and dryable, making it convenient and easy to maintain. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. From curtains and wall coverings to craft projects and garden applications, it's incredibly versatile. Let your imagination run wild. High-quality materials ensure durability and longevity. It's a reliable choice for all your crafting and home decor needs. What we like? It boasts impressive width, perfect for large projects. Its versatility makes it suitable for various uses, from curtains to craft projects. If you need a fabric that's both functional and easy to care for, this is the one for you. Number 4. Burlap Fabric Roll. This versatile burlap fabric is perfect for various uses, from protecting your plants to adding a rustic touch to your home decor. It's made from natural jute, making it eco-friendly and durable. It's woven from natural jute, so it's breathable, biodegradable, and wrinkle-resistant. Its thickness ensures it's reusable and long-lasting. Use it to protect trees from harsh weather, pests, or sun damage. It's also ideal for plant transplanting, adding a rustic touch to crafts, or even wedding decorations. This fabric helps keep tree trunks warm in winter, shielding them from frost. In summer, it protects against intense sunlight and potential damage. Simply wrap it around the tree trunk, securing it with rope. It's easy to cut and sew, making it perfect for various DIY projects and crafts. What we like? This burlap is ideal for protecting your plants and trees from harsh weather. Made from durable jute, it's built to last. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to safeguard your outdoor plants, this is your best bet. What people say? I have bamboo blinds throughout my house. It wasn't dense enough to keep people from seeing in at night. So I bought this burlap and cut it to size, used fabric tape, put a tension rod in between the window edge, and hung it behind the bamboo blinds. Just enough to allow light to come in throughout the day but no one can see in at night. Works really well and is the beachy look I was going for. It was great to find a larger sized roll of burlap to use for winterizing our fig trees. Since we started wrapping the fig trees with burlap in winter, they fruit every summer. This larger roll is better so we do not have to piece the wrap together. It is a good quality and value. I like that the ends were not frayed. Used to make large potato sacks to cover my large plants in the winter. Was able to make 3 large sacks. Number 3. Gardening Burlap Roll. It comes in 2 sizes to fit your needs, giving you more value for your money. You can customize it for any project, big or small. Made from natural jute fibers, it's incredibly strong and durable. It can even handle tough outdoor conditions and harsh weather. This heavy-duty fabric is perfect for so many things. Use it for gardening, decorating events, or even landscaping. It's a great eco-conscious alternative to plastic. It's biodegradable, chemical-free, and our production is carbon neutral. Gardeners, DIYers, and stylists will love this. It's also perfect for creating unique gift wrap and envelopes. With this generous roll, you have plenty of material to bring your creative visions to life. Unleash your imagination and get crafting. What we like? Get great value with its sizable roll. Its toughness ensures it can withstand outdoor conditions. If you prioritize sustainability and need a strong burlap for various projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say? The durability of this burlap roll is outstanding. Made from high-quality materials, it withstands the rigors of outdoor use without fraying or tearing, even when exposed to the elements. Another standout feature of this burlap roll is its ease of use. The 40-inch width provides ample coverage for various projects, while the 15-foot length offers plenty of material to work with. Whether I'm wrapping hives, creating shade structures, or protecting plants, this burlap roll cuts easily and conforms effortlessly to different shapes and surfaces. The quality was very good and thick enough to prevent winter damage. Number 2. AK Trading Company. Burlap Fabric. This versatile fabric offers endless possibilities for your creative projects and home decor. It's made from 100% natural jute, making it an eco-friendly choice. It's completely biodegradable, so you can use it without worrying about harming the environment. A sustainable choice for all your needs. It adds a touch of rustic elegance to any setting, perfect for weddings, Thanksgiving, or farmhouse-style events. Enhance your decor with its natural charm. Use it for placemats, table runners, garlands, or any craft project you can imagine. It's a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. Create a cozy atmosphere for any season or holiday. It's ideal for fall, Halloween, Christmas, or any rustic theme. It has a distinct scent from its untreated jute fibers, similar to kerosene, which fades over time. This adds to its authentic, organic texture. What we like. It's made from 100% natural jute, making it a sustainable option. Its rustic charm adds a unique touch to any decor. If you are looking for an eco-conscious and stylish burlap for crafting or decorating, this is the one. Number 1. Tosnail Burlap Fabric Roll. This versatile fabric is perfect for adding a rustic touch to any project. It's made of natural jute, so it's eco-friendly and durable. With its ample 10-yard length and 12-inch width, it's ideal for large-scale projects. The sewn edges ensure a clean, professional finish. It's perfect for adding a touch of natural beauty to your home decor or wedding. It's also great for crafting and DIY projects. Use it for table runners, wreaths, floral arrangements, or anything else you can imagine. Let your creativity flow. This high-quality burlap is ready to transform your ideas into reality. Order yours today and start creating. It's made from natural jute fabric, so it's chemical-free and won't fade. The sewn edges prevent fraying, saving you time and effort. What we like. This burlap offers exceptional length for extensive projects. The sewn edges prevent fraying, saving you time and effort. If you need a long, high-quality burlap for crafting or decorating, consider this option. What people say. I attended and helped with a party for my cousin. They wanted burlap runners, so we went to the local craft store, but they didn't have any, so we went to the fabric store, but all they had was black. I hopped on Amazon, found this, ordered 4, and Amazon saved the day. These worked out perfectly and the tables looked amazing. These are the color, texture, and thickness they had wanted and envisioned for the party. I bought this to allow my new grass to grow. It helps keep the moisture and hold the grass seed in place. Easy to cut to the length you need and durable enough to leave out in the elements. I've used this roll multiple times. I used to make holiday placemats. I also used it to make a runner under centerpieces for a wedding. Good thickness, not bulky, lays flat. Very easy to cut to sizes needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.